This is me taking all the parts out of the microwave just to show you. You can scrap this, but I'm looking in here and oh look, little dead critters and cobwebs inside the microwave. Oh, look at that. Yes, it's an old microwave, but oh, look at that. Cockroach droppings. Look at that. Yeah. And these jerk-offs have the nerve to complain about me winning my application with the Ontario Rental Housing Tribunal. They got a boatload of nerve, that's for sure. Look at that. I was cooking food in this, folks. Nice. I wonder what's on the other side, maybe. Oh well, I guess that remains to be seen. Bon appetit.